Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to enable WPS on AT&T router. So first you need to go ahead and access the WPS settings. So you want to use your web browser, go to this URL, enter your login password, okay, and click on login, alright? And then you want to go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi drop-down menu on the left hand panel of the screen, and then go ahead and click on WPS. Then you want to just come here and toggle on the WPS button to enable WPS. Really that easy and simple. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and click the WPS button on your client device first, and then click push WPS button below for 2 minutes. Okay, this is what you do. So push that, and then on the WPS enabled device, you want to navigate and select WPS push button, follow the prompts, and go ahead and complete the setup. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.